Hello my friends and welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out the X300 drone here. Alright, this thing, it looks pretty legit. This folds in and out. Boom. Very simple. Just like that. Pretty sweet looking drone. Features a 1080p camera on. Okay, there's power. And then, all right, so usually with these, press up, press down, and then they're ready to go. This is kind of a big drone. I'm a little scared to just fly it right here, but. Okay. All right, this is not an indoor one. This is like an outdoor one. This thing's got, I used to fly like these little mini drones around. This thing's legit. I'm gonna have to go outside and show you guys how to fly this thing around. Also we'll check out the camera and everything else. And yeah, so let's go out there and do it. Okay friends, one thing I did want to show you is that these little things, you push that in and then these little part right here, it curves around and pushes up into the bottom. There's a couple little holes there and that secures it in place. So a lot more secure than just pressing in. You press it in there and then this curves around and goes up into the bottom like that. Nope. Nope. All right, here we go. Try to do a flip here. Oh. That was pretty sick. I'm trying to not get my cat here. Turn around. Whoa. Right, land. Oh, got a little plant there. Sorry, I did a little flip there. This is really, you gotta have like no wind. I'm trying to like not blow into the neighbor's yard and stuff like that. It's getting a little windy over here. But yeah, this thing's actually pretty cool. Some pretty good controls. It's got like a hover mode here. Whoa. You'll just kind of sit there by itself and just hover. Try to bring it up a little bit and then I'll try to do a flip here. Oops, it's the wrong one. That's the land button. The further one right is the takeoff button. Go a little bit higher. Whoa, did a flip right there. Did a back flip. Okay, sorry cat. So pretty sweet guys. It's actually a lot of fun to fly. Like I said, if it is a little windy, you might want to go out into like a big field or a park or something because it's going to be, it might blow it away a little bit. So, but a lot of fun to fly. Pretty cool, does some tricks and decent camera on there. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day and I'll see you next time.